Hello nieces and nephews. This Sunday I'm taking Self-Care Sunday to the next level and doing my first ever DIY at home gel nail polish set. And to start off, I am using this 100% acetone to remove any residue off of my nails. For me, that would be like old glue from press-on nails. And I'm just gonna prepare my nails with my nail drill by getting any of that hard acrylic stuff off of my nails, as well as get my cuticles ready by soaking them in warm sudsy water and pushing any remaining cuticle off, trimming any remaining cuticle off, and just making my nails look as pretty and smooth as possible, because that's the best way to get the best application for any nail polish, but especially gel nail polish. The gel nail polish that I'm using today is from Madam Glam, New York. They sent me this lovely set that included a base coat, a top nail coat, and two lovely colors, as well as a UV LED lamp to cure the nail polish. The colors that I have is this orange color called Cowardly Lion and this pinky red color called Bobbing Apples. The only real con, I would say, is the short cord that I have to this UV LED lamp, and I probably could have used a stronger one. A stronger LED lamp might have cured my nail polish faster. It did take me quite a bit of time to cure the nail polish, which is a lot for me as a first-time gel nail girl. So my professional gel nail girls, you might actually have a much faster, easier application than I did. But I do want to note that Madam Glam nail polishes are vegan and very earth friendly, so that is a plus to their nail polish set. I'll make sure that I leave information on this set in the link in the description box. You see, I have my UV lamp sitting on the side of this little plant I have on the table here because the cord is kind of short and I didn't want my lamp moving while I'm trying to get my nails all pretty and dry. Again, as a first-time DIY gel nail polish gal, my original application was a little rough. I did go around, and you see I'm playing with this file here to clean up the sides of my nails, but I do want to show you how beautiful this color turned out and how everything was working for me. You can see now that I'm applying the top coat to the Bobbing Apples color, and I was really pleased with how the color looked, and it was just really pretty to me. So you guys let me know if you have any tips or tricks. There is no community without the you and the I. I hope you enjoyed this nail and chill segment where you just get to relax and do some self-care Sunday with your girl. Let me know if you have any tips and tricks for me below and what you think of the Madam Glam New York nail kit. I'll talk to you later.